Motorsport on Melrose. Here today we have a brand new 2021 Mercedes-Benz S580. Came in straight from the dealer. So in this particular car, we got two stages going on. First one is a complete blackout, wheels lowering. Second stage, we got Brabus parts coming in. So to start off, we did all the chromes were removed, painted gloss black, reflectors, the front grille, all the lower trim, all the window moldings, the top half of the door handles, the lower trims, tail light trims, muffler tips, everything shiny black. The S580 and the 4MATIC was removed completely. We just kept the Mercedes star. 22-inch aftermarket wheels, aggressive, very aggressive offset. Car is lowered on adjustable links, so it can be adjusted to your ride height whenever you please. 20% tint all around, 35 on the windshield. Again, this is phase one. The car will be getting delivered today to the client. Phase two is coming in the near weeks, as soon as we get some Brabus parts coming in, and stay tuned for that.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, the new Mercedes-Benz S580 has become one of the most popular sedans all over the internet, all over town. We've been getting a big load of them coming in. We've done about 5 to 6 of them already. We have this particular one that you guys are witnessing as we speak. I hope you guys love the finished product. This one was a special one because we designed a very limited wheel for it. It's this wheel that's sitting right next to me. It's a dual block forged wheel. It has a little bit of a directional twist to it, along with straight spokes. We have it wrapped around Michelin tires, and the offsets are aggressive, as Jonathan mentioned. And the reason we do that and why we pay attention to those facts and those details are so that when the car's driving through any type of speed, you know, it's really hugging the floor and you're getting the ultimate performance while driving the vehicle. Again, we chose the best tires in the industry. We have Michelin tires on there. The offsets are perfect. They sit right at the fenders, and lowering, sitting right on top of the tires makes the biggest difference in the world when you're taking those sharp turns and you're in the canyons ripping away. So as you guys can see, it's as aggressive as it can get. This stance on this particular S-Class is the way we like our vehicles to be lowered and the offsets of our wheels to be. I hope you all enjoyed the episode. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, turn on the notification button. We got a lot more in store for you all.